In the last SUI price prediction video, I gave you a few calls. This short right here that we took profit on, and I said when we go to this level 3389, we're gonna short. We shorted here and we shorted right here, and now I'm interested in taking either a short or a long depending on which area, which basically price, where does will price go next. If price goes to 3397, I'm going short. Price goes here 326 or 324, I'm gonna go long. So these are basically the levels that I'll be looking for today. It's gonna be very simple. We're just targeting liquidations. There's like 500k worth of liquidations in each of these levels. I've checked out your layer 2 data and I'm giving you the juice just like that, so don't waste your time. I'll make another SUI video tomorrow, but if you want a little bit more from me, there's a course in the description down below. There's also a link to my Signals chat. So if you are interested in more info, you can find it there. This video is no financial advice. Love you with all my heart.